And here I am. I'm alive. Okay, so a few things to address, super quick, as always. First of all, stickers. New stickers are here. Ignore the rubber bands. Hang on, I will get there. New stickers. So new logo, new stickers. They're this big, so like a mouth size, which hopefully is a lovely size to put onto your cars. So if you want to rep me, or if you want to put it on your laptop or whatever you want, if you want to basically support me in any shape or form, this is the way to do it. So obviously we've got stickers. There are t-shirts. This is the old t-shirt. There is a new t-shirt that will appear on screen now if you want that. Links also in the description. So stickers are now live. The link will be there. The price will be there. Just click on the link. It's all done through PayPal. It's super quick. And I will send these out to you basically the same day that you buy them. So there is black. There is white as well. So if you want a white, you can have a white. So obviously the white will be really good on like tinted windows if you want to pop it in the window or the corner of your tinted window. Obviously the black one, you can stick it wherever you want. So there's stickers, like I said, t-shirts in the description as well. Check those out. It really helps me. And on the note of this COVID-19 pandemic thing that's going on, first of all, I just want to say thank you to everyone that has actually listened to the government and to like the health service and actually supported them. It's huge for anyone who has actually stayed in and listened. The benefit that you're giving to the NHS, I say benefit, the leverage you're giving them is actually huge, and I've now seen it firsthand. So I would highly recommend, if you aren't doing this already and you're still racing your cars around, just stay in. If this pandemic carries on, and this lockdown carries on, obviously the time of filming this is Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If they're going to announce that next week, because obviously next week Monday it's supposed to finish, if they announce that this lockdown carries on, don't just start going out in your cars and flying around if you haven't already. I know it's boring, I know we're show season's done, this year's done, it's a write-off, but please just, you know, it's just a car at the end of the day. People's lives are at risk. You might think just going out in your car and having a hoon for an hour and then coming home isn't doing any harm, but you will use fuel. You will then fill up at a fuel station, petrol station. And if you forget to put gloves on, or you hand your bank card over, or just these little things, these little trips that you're doing. A lot of people say, you're not affecting anyone by being in your own car. You potentially are, because you are having to go to other places, you are visiting other places. The whole point of this is that you don't spread the virus around. So stay at home, wash your cars over and over and over again. But yeah, so thank you to everyone that has actually listened. To all you guys that are still flying around in your cars, using fuel, going to petrol stations, filling up, and not giving a crap, you're killing people. So start giving a crap. But anyway, on to today's video. It's going to be a short and sweet one. I have some gel badges to put on instead of the sticker ones. So rather than where the ST badges are at the minute, I've got basically white and black stickers. I now have gel ones, which should look a bit cleaner. And I've also got a rattle on the exhaust. So we're going to jack the car up, have a little look. I have a feeling one of the clamps may have come loose, potentially at the track day where it got so hot, it could have basically expanded and then shrunk it, and now it's loose. But anyway, we're gonna have a look. We'll see what it is. It might be the heat shield, who knows. But let's jack the car up. That's all my rambling out the way. On to the actual video. So this is the current Rattle that I have. Let's just start her up for the second time in like 2 weeks. Right, she's alive. God, that's so loud. It's ridiculous. Calm down, car. Calm down. We'll see if the rattle's still there. I mean, if the rattle's not there, this video is going to get very short. I mean, it just sounds like it's farting when it's on cold start. So this is a Miltech Sports Cat and a Miltech non-res race system. I mean, it's so loud at the minute. It's resonating obviously off the wall and off the garage behind, but it's so loud. Spider. No. Bad spider. Bad. Okay, spider extinguished. There's the rattle. Right, where's that rattle coming from? What is this rattle? Is it that? Definitely something under there. Right, so we're going to jack the car up before it gets too hot, and then basically just see what we find. So I'm just having a little look under here now. I mean, this is black. I don't know why it's black, so I'm basically going to tighten that up a little bit. But above, I guess it might be touching where my hand is now. I might try and lever some of that up. And then over here I'm actually going to use the camera to see, because I can't fully get under my car at the minute. Let's see if I can see anything. That all looks clear. Is it going to focus? That looks clear. I mean, that all looks clear. What about over here? Is that clear? It looks clear. Strange. I'm gonna try bending this bit upwards a little bit, tighten this up, and then we'll turn it on and see if we got a rattle. So we have found, oh my god, the issue, and it is, unfortunately, I was hoping it was a heat shield. I don't know if I'm going to be able to, you guys see up there? Let's see if I can, oh there we go. Can you see that? Basically, the weld, that's the noise, the weld on that exhaust bracket has broken. So, I need someone who can weld to weld it all back up again. But that is the noise. So, bit annoying as it's not just bending a heat shield out of the way or doing up a clamp. But hey, more content I guess. So I guess we're going somewhere to get it welded at some point when this pandemic is all over. Also my tyres are looking a bit sad. I mean, yeah, I need new rear tyres. New rear tyres or new alloys? That's the real question. Oh, yeah, let me know what alloys you guys suggest, because I'm looking at some now and they're all so expensive, so they need to be the right ones. But anyway, stickers. So these are stickers. I might not even prepare these, I might literally just stick it straight over the top. We'll see. If I can get the black off, I'll get the black off. But this has been on for so long, I can't see me getting this black off. So we're going to basically put these new stickers in place of those. They're just little gel badges rather than these sticker inlays. But as you can see here, my old sticker's starting to come off. You can see bits of red coming out. So yeah. Anyway, that is the plan. Stickers are off, so we're back into red. I'm just going to clean them up, get all the glue off, and that's it on the front. Line up the top edge. And that is the black one on the back done. Now we're just going to go to the front, do the same one. Done. Finicky, but done. There you go, gel inlays done. So that's that. Another video done. I mean, more content for you guys. So it looks like I need to find someone who can weld a exhaust hanger back up. Hopefully Warren can do it, because I mean, he's got a ramp and we can just put my car up in the air and weld it. But if he can't weld, or if he hasn't got the facilities to do that, I guess I need to find someone else. I'm sure someone can, I'm sure an exhaust shop can weld a little tack weld. That's all it needs. So anyway, that's that. Once again, merch in the description, new stickers, new t-shirt, it's going to appear here. It's all available, it's all still getting sent out. I'm going to send it out. Obviously I am at work at the minute, so bear that in mind, but I normally send stuff out the same day. I had a few sticker sales recently, and they went out literally within 2 hours of the people buying the stickers. So thank you guys for all the support. We are so close to 2,000 subscribers now. It's cool. We've accelerated like crazy. Do you think it was like November, I think? November, December time that we hit 1,000? An hour into what, March, April, so 4 months, we've made another 1,000 subscribers. It's crazy, and to think that obviously the pandemic's been going on, so I mean, I haven't been putting out content because I can't drive anywhere. It's crazy. But anyway, thank you guys. I shall see you guys in the next video. Remember to subscribe down below if you're not subscribed. Hit the like button, really helps me, and leave a comment. Let me guys know what you want content wise, any ideas, questions you may have. Maybe we'll do a Q&A session at some point. And like me on Instagram as well, because I'm gonna start doing a few live streams at lunchtimes. So if you guys are there, keep you entertained if you guys are off work. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one.